Today, I am now going to discuss Milne Thomson method. Milne Thomson method by which Milne Thomson method by which we can calculate the value of function fz of any complex number. Today our topic is on the complex analysis where we will discuss about the Milne Thomson method. So let's start the discussion. What is actually Milne Thomson method is? So let's start the discussion. Suppose you have been you all know that you all know that how we can write a complex function. Fz can be written as, suppose a complex function fz can be written as real part of that function plus iota into imaginary part of that function. In this way, a complex function can be written. A complex function can be written in this way. So suppose you have been given a real part of that function. Means suppose you have been given u of that function and you are asked to find fz. Means you know that fz equals u plus iv. Now in your question u is given and you are asked to find fz. How can you find that? So for finding that, one method is Milne Thomson method. So let's start discussion about that. First of all, we all know that Cauchy-Riemann equation, that del u by del x equals del v by del y, and del v by del x equals minus del u by del y. So it is known as the Cauchy-Riemann equation, CR equation, you all know. Now suppose you are given u, so how to proceed? Step 1 of Milne Thomson method. So first step is, you will write, you have been given what? You have been given u. You have to write del u by del x. Del u by del x equals what? It is, suppose, phi 1 function of x comma y, and del u by del y. Del u by del y equals what? Phi 2 function of x comma y. Let us consider this. Okay. Let us suppose this means first order derivative of x with respect, first order derivative of u with first order derivative of u means real part of that function that is given in the question with respect to x equals phi 1 xy, phi 1 function of x comma y, and first order derivative of u with respect to y, that is phi 2 function of x comma y. So what will be fz? So the formula for that Milne Thomson method is, now we will write here u given, then we can write fz equals integration phi 1 z comma 0. That means what? Put x equals z, y equals 0 in the phi 1 xy, minus phi 2 z comma 0 into dz. So by integrating this term, we will get fz. Similarly, you are given v. In the question it is given v, that imaginary part of that function. So how to proceed that? So for if imaginary part of that function is given, then similarly you will write, sorry, let me clear it. Similarly you will write del v by del x equals phi 1 function of x comma y, and del v by del y equals phi 2 function of x comma y. Now put x equals z, y equals 0. But now here v is given, so how can you write fz, function of z? So you can write function of z equals, how? Now you have to write phi 2 z comma 0 minus I phi 1 z comma 0 into dz. So let's take an example to understand this. So let's take an example. Suppose in the question you have been given v equals tan inverse y by x. You have been given that tan inverse y by x. So how to proceed this? So first step is what? First step is, here v is given, that means you have to do del v by del x, and secondly you have to do del v by del y. So here you have been given v equals tan inverse y by x, so obtain del v by del x. So del v by del x after derivating, after differentiating with respect to x, what you will get? Del v by del x equals minus y by x square plus y square. Hope you all can do this differentiation, that is differentiation of v with respect to y. And what you will get with respect to differentiating v with respect to differentiating v with respect to y, del v by del y, you will get x by x square plus y square. So writing all these in one frame so that you can clearly understand. So del v by del x, you will get what? Del v by del x, you will get minus y by x square plus y square equals, let us consider it is phi 1 x comma y, and del v by del y, equals x by x square plus y square equals phi 2 x comma y. This is of step 1. So after this step, what you have to do? After this step, you have to put x equals z, y equals 0. So putting x equals z, y equals 0, what you will get? So putting x equals z, y equals 0, let me change the pen color. So here you can see x equals z, y equals 0. So phi 1 xy will be 0, and phi 2 xy will be z by z square plus 0 square, that means 1 by z. So now you have to write the function of f of z. Function of f of z can be written as f phi 2 z comma 0. So phi 2 z comma 0. After that, what we have to write? Phi 2 z comma 0 minus I phi 1 z comma 0 into dz. So phi 2 z comma 0, what you have got? Integration sign here. What you have got? We have got phi 2 z comma 0 is 1 by z minus 0 into dz. So integration dz by z, we will get log z. So what we have got? We have got fz equals log z. So this is the way we can do the Milne Thomson method. The conclusion is what? Conclusion is, first step 1. First step is, if u is given, then you have to do the differentiation of u. With u means what? U means real part. Real part of that function is given, del u by del x. You have to do del u by del x, and you have to put phi 1 equals x comma y. You have to assume it, and del u by del y, you have to do del u by del y, that means phi 2 function of x comma y. Then after that, what is the second part? Second part, x equals z, y equals 0. Third part, put that function in the integration term that we have discussed in the video. So that's it for today. Thank you all for patiently watching. Bye.